Hi, this is Alicia. A common question. How would you know the battery in your flash still have juice?
Action!
You don't want to run out of battery in the middle of your shoot. So here's how you check. One way, set the flash power to 1/1. Then fire the flash. 1, 2, 3. It's ready. If your flash recycles in less than 4 seconds, means you're good to go. If your flash recycles in 5 seconds or more, then it's time to change your battery. Oh, by the way, if you're still using alkaline batteries for your flashes, you can do this test to find out if your batteries are still good. If it bounces a lot, the battery is weak. I hope you enjoyed.
Wait, what? Hey, how does she do all this in 51 seconds?
Maybe she is good.
Yeah, but it's 3 minutes of photography.
I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please also head on to our website and check out our e-learning courses. You wouldn't want to run out of battery in the middle of your shoot. So here's how you check. Yeah.